Y'all, look at these. It is blackberry season. We have not grown wild blackberries before. Back in Alabama, we didn't have blackberries. We had blueberries galore, but no blackberries. Some of them are still a little red, but we have just, it feels like miles and miles and miles of wild blackberries. So we will be picking blackberries for a very long time, as long as we don't, you know, kill ourselves in the process, because blackberry bushes are extremely thorny. I just got out of the shower. Don't mind the turban on my head, but I was mowing the lawn, and while I was mowing the lawn, I just saw a huge row of blackberries on the fence line, and I had to stop and pick them. Luckily, I had a cup of water with me. I dumped out the water, and I just put all the blackberries in the cup. And then when I was pretty much done and heading back to the house, I saw Antonio and Zion, and they saw, sorry you guys, my hair is soaking wet. So I had a cup this big. I think it's 24 ounces. But anyways, they saw me with it. They ate almost the whole cup. So then me and Zion went back and picked a whole nother cup. So there, I can't even express to you how many more blackberries are on all these vines. It's insane. Just utterly insane. And not only do we have it on the fence line towards the front of the house, but then we have a bunch more near the pond, just all over the place, y'all. The sun is going down. It looks so pretty. It's a mess out there, obviously, but it does look pretty. The sky looks pretty, and the grass is green, so it looks really nice. But I just wanted to share that with you guys. Obviously, I'm not prepared to do a video. I just jumped out of the shower. But before they devoured all of these blackberries, I wanted to definitely make sure I showed this to you and shared it with you guys. Maybe I'll get another video out, show you all of the blackberries on the bushes, because it's incredible. There are so many of them. So maybe tomorrow I'll just kind of add on to this video, look a little bit more presentable for you guys. And I'll show you all the blackberry bushes. All right, guys, I said that I would show you all these blackberries, and maybe you can't see them all. I gotta be careful sticking my hand around here because there's a lot of sharp prickery things, but there's literally blackberries all up and down this fence. And to just give you an idea of what I'm talking about, this is the front of our yard right here. Our house is back there. So from here all the way down, and then around the other side of those bushes right there, there is another whole line of blackberries. So they're not, lady, what are you doing over there? Get over here. Here. So it's not like right in through there, I don't believe there's any. So there are some parts that don't have blackberry bushes on it, but for the most part, there are blackberries along this entire fence line. But the other place I was saying was over by the pond. There are a ton of blackberries back there as well. But I think we're going to focus on leaving the ones out by the pond for the animals, like the deer and stuff like that. But we will pick the stuff up at the property line and along this fence. And don't you go in my bucket. You eat my blackberries, you'll be in big trouble. But as you can see, there's some that aren't quite ripe yet. The redder ones are going to be easier to see, obviously, because they're bright. But the black ones, they are big. You guys, look at the size. I just want to show you something really quick. Look at the size of some of these blackberries. They are huge. I'll get back with you guys and let you see how many we end up with today. All right, really quick, let me show you this first. This is on the other side of the fence, which we will get to. Look, y'all, look at all of those blackberries. Now, I went to the store today. I went to Walmart today, and I went to go price the blackberries just to kind of see how much they were going for. $6.50 for one of those small little, I don't know, that's not even a pint. What is that, like a half pint or a quarter pint? Whatever that is, that little small container they put the blackberries in. I could not believe they were $6.50 for one of those. So could you imagine if we picked these and we couldn't eat them all? Although I would figure out a way to freeze them or whatever. But if we were to sell them at a farmer's market, how much money we could possibly make from this? I mean, I don't know if I would do that because I really do enjoy the blackberries. But it's an option. It's a thought. All right, you guys, we are done with picking the blackberries. And I think this hand, maybe not so much. Let me see. Oh, yes. This hand proves that I've been picking blackberries with the purple red hue on my fingers. This one's not too bad, but my other hand for sure. Let me show you the amount that we have. Now, mind you, this isn't even all of them. We've got more to go, like probably weeks left of blackberry picking. Look at this. This is crazy. Crazy. I feel blackberry rich right now. Look at this. This is a feed bucket. All right. Some of them are a little red at the tips because sometimes when you go to pick them, you don't realize that the bottoms are, you know, not ready. But they'll ripen. Just sitting here, they will ripen. And as I showed you in the beginning of this video, I mean, look at the size. Look at the size of some of these blackberries. They are just so big. And yeah, this is going to turn into some really awesome jelly. And we're going to freeze some so we can make better smoothies. Because I think that I prefer freezing any kind of berry before you put it into a smoothie. Because it makes it more solid. So like if you add ice and stuff like that to your smoothies, you don't have to add as much ice. But I like the berries being solid. I just think it comes out better. But yeah, we're going to have some awesome whey protein blackberry smoothies again. I made some the other night and they came out amazing. They are seedy, but they're flavor-wise, they are really good. Going to make some blackberry jelly. That's going to be amazing. I'm looking forward to making that. I've got to get my canning stuff out. So I'm going to start looking up some recipes. But it can't be much different than any other jelly canning stuff. So I'm going to get working on that. I probably won't do that today. I think I'm going to let these sit out for another day or two to like really get nice and ripe and put all of that flavor into the berry. It's going to be exciting.
What is music?
happy ducks. What are you babies doing? Why are you on the old air conditioning?
Look at them! Really hard to keep them in focus. Look at the cute geese!
Have you guys ever seen the dawn?
Oh my gosh!
Yeah.
You're okay. They're so cute! Look at them! Aww.
Better again. Oh. Better now. It's better now.
Oh.
Get down, Zion.
Get down.
Aww. They are. I don't know if you guys can see the babies, but they have babies.
Every last one of the puppies are sleeping. Speaking of babies, look at the other babies that we have on the farm now. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. And I think I count 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I believe there's 8 little baby chicks. And as you saw, Alexia was recording down by the pond. We have 2 geese that have been coming around, and it looks like they had a few little goslings. So we're super excited about those too, even though they're not ours and they're probably going to get big and fly off somewhere, but it's very exciting. Baby chicks. And that's gonna wrap things up for today, guys. I hope that you have enjoyed this video, and until next time, be blessed.